have talked about Hufflepuff. Now we're going to talk about a house that doesn't even get as much shine as Hufflepuff, which, as a
Mm.
Hufflepuff, I'm used to, being very defensive about how disrespected we are. So I am also here to talk about, what can we do for the brand of Ravenclaw. Ravenclaws, you know, the intelligence and the wisdom is often attributed to that house, the wit. And, so how would we take what Ravenclaw has done? How would we brand them, take them to a new level? Their animal is the eagle, and their element is air, So this learned, wise, intelligent house. TJ, what are your thoughts on Ravenclaw?
Well, first off, I need people to actually notice that it's an eagle and not a raven. And I'm going to need people to know that their colors are blue and bronze, because that shouldn't be a secret trivia fact. That should be their identity, right? They're not blue and silver. They're not blue and blue or blue and white or blue and black for some reason. Bronze. It's a cool color. Let's rock with it. Now we're going to talk about this. Those words you mentioned, there's wit, learning, wisdom, acceptance, intelligence, creativity. These are kind of what should be the hallmark of Ravenclaw House. Now, I think Ravenclaw is close. I think that it doesn't need much,
Right.
but I think we can do something cool for them. And my idea is kind of this the house of knowledge, or the wings of wisdom, or like blue wisdom, or something like that, that kind of emphasizes who they are. I think you stick with Ravenclaw as the primary name, the brand. Like, I don't think we need to switch it up too much, but have a second separate identity, whereby maybe they are, known as, the house of knowledge, because knowledge is kind of something that they all hold above, and using your brain and that in that kind of way. I think that you can do house words like wisdom, wit, and intelligence, or maybe knowledge. You can have house sayings like, fly with the eagles, or knowledge is power, or earn your wings, or soar with the eagles, or something like that, to where you want to be part of that. That's a cool group of people. They value intelligence and the pursuit of knowledge above all, and we need to emphasize that through our design work. You may want to, if we're going to incorporate the color bronze, which can be a little bit darker and a little bit trickier, you may have to tweak the color blue. You may go a little darker, you may go a little lighter, but that's for our design friend to figure out. But I think that there's a really cool way to honor the founder. Rowena Ravenclaw picked these colors for a reason. Let's honor that. Let's not just go blue because it's easy. Let's not go too simple. These are the colors. Let's rock with it. Hashtag trust your colors. No one else in the school has bronze. Let's go with that.
For the hashtags, real quick, wings of wisdom and earn your wings. Earn your wings. I feel like wings of wisdom is for public facing communication.
Mm-hmm.
Earn your wings is for internal communication. So once you're in the house, it's about earning your wings. But if you're a fan on the outside, you're seeing them as the wings of wisdom.
The eagle kind of thinks that they're above the people. Let's be real. Like, we're in the air, we're up here. We're kind of looking down on the other houses, if we're being real. And I'm not saying that like kind of arrogance is completely befitting of Ravenclaw, but intellectually it kind of is. And if you can steer into that, then there's more house pride, there's more camaraderie. And I think that that's something that they also, if you are a Ravenclaw who doesn't feel like you've earned your wings, that's something to aspire to. There's just something that you can work into. Just, I'm putting this thing on my chest every day, and I think that I haven't earned my wings today. And, that could be something that you have to deal with. And I think that that could be cool, possibly a little bit damaging, but that's not our problem. That's the school's.
I tried something a little ambitious, and I want you to give me your thoughts here.
Ooh, cool.
So instead of doing the books, I did the bookmark and
Cool.
had multiple bookmarks there, kind of represent the pages of a book. Then, kind of proud of this. So, the wing of the eagle,
Mhm.
and like, so this is like part of the silhouette of an eagle, but I also did the eagle's wing, but also made it into like an R type
Mhm.
situation here. The on the, the shield here, same thing because I want the shield part to be consistent across each house, but what happens inside of it be different.
Mhm.
So you have the bottom here, which is because their element is air, so
Yeah.
the air went there. I got the middle, the wing R in the middle, and then at the top I have the cap and gown because they're representing scholarship.
First impression, I looked at you said it's a bookmark. It also reads like those ribbons that they would use on like old fancy books and stuff. Super readable as that, and the partial silhouette of the wing and tail like that. It reads as an R really well. I was like, I get it, and I like that a lot. The incorporating the scholar hat, the graduation cap, that's pretty cool. I dig that. Like you can, yeah, no, I like it. You did not quite go with the color scheme I thought you would, but that's probably because of what you're going to apply it on. But no, I really like it. That the bookmark in particular, I think that's a killer logo.
Boom, 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 boom.
Hey, I like
So
that.
we got the library in the background, very scholarly with the earn your wings, which I think is fantastic. Uh, Fun fact, the name of the font that I used for Earn Your Wings, it's entitled Eagle. It's
Oh,
literally
cool.
the font named Eagle.
I like that. That bookmark logo, like I said, I think that's a brilliant logo. I think that works really well as a one color. I like the earn your wings. I think that's a. I mean, if I do say so myself, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, and using a font called Eagle is really cool. It looks really nice on blue. It looks good with the bronze and the blue as well. The bronze color you use does almost look like a leather bound book kind of thing. So you could put like that logo even in just emboss the one color version on something with the word Ravenclaw underneath it or something. You could do the earn your wings on the back. You can put it in blue on the front if you wanted to, or whatever. I mean, you have tons of possibilities. You could do it on a blue cover, and you could do it in white. You can do whatever you want, really. I think that's really cool. And like I said, lots of potential. I mean, even getting into the nitty gritty of you know just accent decorations on the walls and the banners that will fly throughout the Great Hall and the castle. Like you could even get away with just the wing if you wanted to. I'm also imagining banners in the shape of that bookmark,
Mm,
like hanging. I think that there's a lot of cool potential for like where this could even go bigger and broader than what you've already done.
I agree. I agree. But yeah, that is what we've done for Ravenclaw. Let us know what you think. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think and how hype are you for us to tackle the next two houses. Remember, as you go along in life, teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See you next time.